Hi guys, Trisha here from Decisive Designs, bringing you my formal living room. It is now decked out. Look at my girl looking hot in the corner there. Love it. I need to put like a head there and wig so she looks like girly girl. But anyway, I just love how every year I put up these trees. I don't have to do much to this room. It really tells a story by itself. But these two trees, I did them differently this year. This one is just nice and simple, and this one is just crazy. You always have a crazy one in there. And the couch has been the same forever. Um, and the little things that goes around, um, it's just so gorgeous. Um, the center table, um, I throw a mat, a full rug, full fur rug on it, or a mat, just to get some lightness of white, but it's really this nice gold and glass. And I just throw um, this nice tray with some reindeers and a little floral arrangement with some jewelry. Always throw extra jewelry on. Looks good. And that's it. That is it. But I love this little girl. Isn't she cute? She represents this room. The colors, just gorgeous. Even her necklace. Her necklace is one of those famous designer. Let's see who it's from. It is from, I can't see. I don't have my, let's see. I can't see. I don't have my glasses on. But it's a name brand that I adorn this girl with. Always put your fur on. It makes you look royalty. And do it a different way. I just did it that way. Could have done it the other way too, but this way says everything about this girl. The white, gold, and gray skirt, mini skirt, of course, and this nice satin blouse. It is the epitome of this room. So you can actually have a piece that you can buy from. Why something is holding me back? Get out of my head. You can have something that inspired you, so an inspiration piece. And the curtains, these are from Pier 1 many moons ago. I've never washed them too. I don't like to wash my curtains. But anyways, and that art is from my daughter. She did it. So always get an inspiration from somewhere. Sometimes it's a blouse. Sometimes it's clothes. Sometimes it's pillows. Sometimes it's a plate, magazine, picture. Wherever you get your inspiration, be inspired by something, and then apply it to your room. I feel like this room is inspired by this girl. Because the room was done up before, and I just put it together. This girl is from Pier 1 as well. Um, and she's so cute. So this is a size 2, but this girl is a size 0. And I was a size 0 for many, many years. Many, many years. And then I went to size 2 and I stayed there for a while too. And then I got pregnant. And you don't want to know my size now, but it's not hard to be a size 2 girl for me. Yes, so this painting is Pier 1 canvas. I like the colors. I think they represent everything that I am. I always say everything I put my hand to turns to gold. And a part of it is gold. I said colors are vibrant. It makes me happy. And there is color. And then silver. How could you have gold without silver? I mean, it complements each other. So get something that complements whatever you have. And I feel like whenever it's up, it just lit this place. And I have changed it many, many times and put it in other rooms. But right here, it just tells a story that it belongs here. And right here was the original place for it. And it's lit. It's well lit here. In other places, it doesn't really show well. I did have like a picture light above it. And because I changed it, I took it down, but it doesn't need to be lit. But if it's lit, it is gorgeous. And these on the side, I know that this is further apart, but sometimes, like I said, I move stuff around and they don't go back to their original spot, but they're there. And this couch, honey, by the way, these were from Hobby Lobby. These decorative wall art, Hobby Lobby, but you can easily make something like that. Get some plates and be creative if you're a creative gal. This couch, it is gorgeous, but it's the biggest couch ever. It's like a twin size bed, and oftentimes I sleep in it, and it's very comfortable. But it's so big that I can load a lot of pillows, like huge pillows on it. And I mix the fur with the shaggy or shag. Looks like a shag rug. And then, of course, velvet. I mean, I think it has all the high intensity of like a rich decorated spot, right? And you can feel it, you can play with it. If you ever want like a back to rub or to touch, I feel like sometimes the aesthetics give you that feel, or if you have a pet. So yeah, those are nice. These pillows are from Home Goods, by the way. And the couch is from Raymore and Flanagan. But I want to back up. It is, I think they still carry it. It's not so old. But I just like the size and the shape. I feel like if I had gotten the love seat, it would have been too much in here. Way, way too much. So I complement it with this gorgeous chase. It's actually almost the same. This is a more shiny material, but it's velvet. And I just throw this, throw on it nicely. And of course, I sleep here sometimes because it's comfortable. I lay there and, let me take this out. This is for, I don't know if I ever bring like a cup of tea or a drink in here. But yeah, and then this frames right here. This is from Pier 1. It frames this spot really nicely. It's an open, let me show you. It's open, but I don't like it as open as it is. For many years, I add like a curtain there. And then once I got this, I like the texture and the wood. And I complement it with, you're gonna see my messy desk. These wooden shades up here. And my desk is the only thing that is not clean, because I know why. And then it gets complemented with these nice accent chairs. These chairs I found and painted, and my husband wrapped the seat. I actually special order this material because I needed something expensive or high-end to go with that, and it really complements it well. And I just throw 2 pillows in there. But yes, these were brown and I painted them teal. So that's it for this room. That, I think even the chase is too much. Another accent chair would have been enough for here, but this was a mistake, kind of, and was not meant for this room. It was meant for my bedroom, but I kept it down here. But yeah, this is that room. So this is that room. This is this room. So this wall has, and I don't like a TV in here, but sometimes, but the remote doesn't have batteries, so we don't really watch it. But this wall has a this gorgeous picture that it reminds me of the Caribbean Sea back in Jamaica, and I love it. It to me, it feels and looks like the water is moving, and I love art like that when you kind of want to touch it because it makes you. Isn't that gorgeous? And I painted the frame. It was white and really vibrant. I painted the frame gold and silver or gray. It complements this room, but it kind of toned down the art. So when you change your frames, just think about the art that is within it and why they put it in that color in the first place, because the white really brings it out. I mean, maybe that's why I toned it down, because I felt like the water was gonna drown me. So I like that. And then this here, I like to have a cabinet to stock things on. And various things. So this iron thing, it's like Gothic, right? Gothic, I love it. I went to an antique shop in Kingston, New York, and they had 2 of these on sale. And I'm like, it was reasonable. I'm like, I want those. They're Gothic looking. What do you think? And they're real iron. And I love them. So I stocked this beautifully with brown, gold, and silver. decor. The bottom, and it really says something about this room. And then I kind of attached this wall art close to it, kind of like an extension of it, in the same colors. And it just, I love how it looked. Let me back up a little bit. I love how it looked. I feel like it's like the epitome of this room. And I threw some fur, a throat over this, which covers a gray cabinet. Now, I also found this cabinet at an antique shop, the same shop, and it was reasonable, and I took it. It was fuchsia. It was a bright, pretty pink, and I loved it so much, but I wanted it for this room, and I'm gonna paint it brown. So when I was painting it, it just got into this cloud color, like it's a cloud. It came out really good. So yeah, that's it for this room. Love, 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 love it. I don't sit in this room often enough, but when I do, I enjoy it. I enjoy it. Really is the epitome of this house. And it's a formal spot, and it's a quiet spot where you could sit here by yourself and no one knows you're in here. All right, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, remember that Christ is the reason for the season. Open your hearts, receive him this season. And just remember that he will bring peace to your heart, peace to your life, and peace to your environment. Peace.